You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to increase transaction limit in Axe Banking, net banking, and make sure you watch the video to the very end because you don't make any mistakes. And also hit the subscribe button because that just helps me out. So let's get started. So first thing to do is to log to your Axis Bank net banking. So visit the Axis Bank internet banking portal, then enter your customer ID and password to log in, then navigate to limit management, then after that click on login to go to the service tab, then after that select my profile, then click on limit management, then after that set a new transaction limit. So once that is set, click on set new limit, then after that enter the desired transaction limit amount, then click next. After that, you have to confirm the new limit. So you will receive a net secure code on your registered mobile number, then enter the code to authenticate it, then click on confirm to finalize the new limit. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to increase your transaction limit in Axis Bank net banking. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.